In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stape.io with your Wix Ecommerce site. Setting up server-side Google Tag Manager can enhance the performance and accuracy of your tracking, and the first step is to install the Stape Server GTM app directly on your Wix site. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to access the Wix App Market. If you're familiar with searching for apps on your phone, the process is pretty similar, just on a larger scale. Open your Wix account and look for the App Market on the Wix dashboard. This is your gateway to a plethora of applications designed to enhance your website's functionality. Once you're in the App Market, the next move is to install the specific app we'll be working with, the Stape Server GTM app. You can easily locate it by using the search bar. Simply type in Stape Server GTM and it should pop right up. When you've found it, click on it to learn more about its features. But more importantly for us right now, you'll want to click on the Add to Site button. This action will start installing the application onto your Wix Ecommerce site. After the installation is complete, you'll see some on-screen instructions to guide you through setting up the app. It's important to closely follow these instructions as they are crucial for properly integrating the app with your Wix site. The Stape Server GTM app will automatically add the Google Tag Manager script to your site, which is a huge time saver and ensures compatibility with your server-side GTM container. This integration allows you to have more control and variety over how you manage your tags, enhancing your site's performance. As you configure the app, take a moment to double-check the settings to make sure everything is linked correctly. Proper configuration is key to making sure that all your analytics tools are working in harmony. It might feel a bit technical at first, but with these steps, you'll be on your way to gaining valuable insights into your website's performance. It's worth noting that if at any point during the process you find yourself stuck or unsure, the Wix Support Center and community forums are excellent resources. They offer a wealth of FAQs and articles, not to mention a community of users who've likely encountered similar questions. By setting up the Stape Server GTM app, you're taking an important step toward optimizing your website's analytics. It's a straightforward process, but one that brings significant rewards in terms of the insights you can gather and the decisions you can make based on accurate data. So, take your time to ensure each step is done correctly, and soon you'll be reaping the benefits of enhanced data tracking on your Wix e-commerce site.